Guys, welcome back to our channel guys. We're now here in our kitchen and cooking station. We now have shrimp and I will going to grill this shrimp. And I have 100 kilos of grill with matching lemon and other condiments to mix here. And this is our grilled shrimp. Yan guys, we are going to cook the other side. No, it smells like delicious. Yes, a grilled shrimp in a pan, a non-stick pan. This one, and medium high of heat. Right now, this is our dinner for tonight. Yeah. Okay. So I will be back to you in a minute. Ayan guys, ito na yung panglawang sinalang natin na inihaw na grill. Baliktad lang natin. Para nang nag-ano guys, nagba-brown. Yung nasa gitna ang unang maluluto. Yan guys. Ito yung yung una nating sinalang. Ano yung kulay brown at saka medyo orange. Yan guys. Yan. So hintayin natin ang mga 15 minutes guys na maluto ito. Babalikan ko kayo. Ayan na guys. Ito na yung grilled shrimp natin guys. Inihaw natin sa ating pan na non-stick. Tinimplahan ko lang ng asin saka toyo konti, tapos nilagyan ko ng lemon. So ito yung kulay na na luto na. Sarap siguro to guys. Sinubukan natin mag-grill sa sa pan itong shrimp. Kalahating kilo lang to guys para sa hapunan natin. Okay guys. At saka sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel Mala Wife, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you and good evening. Goodbye.